Hey everyone, today we're going to replace the display of a OnePlus 9 that's affected with the notorious green line issue. Let's get started. First things first, power off the phone completely. Now, we're going to heat the back panel with a hot air gun. Heat until it's a bit warmer to touch. Once softened, use a suction cup, a thin metal pry tool. I'll drop all the links to buy this tools in the description. And some isopropyl alcohol to loosen the adhesive. Gently make your way around. Just below the power button lies a wire goes to the button, which could be damaged if the blade is used. So I'll just use isopropyl alcohol in there. Similarly, there's a wire below the volume button area. Just use isopropyl. Be mind this is a glass panel. It could break if you pull harder. If the glue line's visible, cut those. Gently pull it. And there we go. Slowly lift the back panel. Nice. Next, I'll use this glue remover tool to clean off the remaining adhesive on the back panel. This helps to get a good seal afterwards. Oh, and if you have the purple OnePlus 9, be careful. The back panel paint can chip off while doing this.
Let's go.
Then I'll do the same to the phone back frame. Again, be careful near the 2 ribbon wires I mentioned earlier. And the middle parts where the glue remains. Don't rush here. Nice. Now, we need to open this bottom panel to access the display connector. To do this, carefully peel off this NFC antenna that's attached to the bottom panel. Got it. Now, remove the screws holding down the bottom panel. Once they're out, gently lift it to reveal the small board with ribbon connectors. There's one screw holding the board. Unscrew it. There's a bracket holding a ribbon connector. Here we've got the motherboard ribbon connector, the fingerprint sensor ribbon, and 2 coaxial cables. Let's disconnect all of them carefully. There's one more ribbon connector to the left. Done. Now, lift out the bottom board. Underneath, we can see the display ribbon connector. Make sure the phone is off, then unplug it. Time to flip the phone over. Heat the display edges to soften the glue. Let's remove the display. Use a suction cup to gently hold the glass, then slide in a pry tool. Once it's in, apply some isopropyl. Slowly cut through the adhesive. Go around the margins slowly. I'll put some drops to the top corner area. And there it is. The display comes off. Wow. Remove any leftover glue from the frame using a glue remover. I'll clean the earpiece area with a brush. This spot is a dust collector. Here's our brand new display. Let's open it from its protective holder cover thing. I'll bend the display ribbon a bit. For testing, slide the ribbon connector through the frame and connect it to the display port. Let's turn the phone on. And check the touch response, brightness, and colors. Looks good. Now, power off, unplug, and remove the display. Let's put this aside. I'll use double-sided tapes in combination with liquid glue T7000 to attach the display. First, I'll place some of this tapes along the metal frame where the original adhesive was, but skip the bottom margin. Peel off the tapes. This glue is suitable for mobile phone repair and attachments. Now apply a line of liquid glue along the plastic groove where the display sits. This time, cover the bottom edge. but still avoid the sensor area. Done. Peel off the display's protective plastic. Remove any dust remaining on the fingerprint sensor area and front camera. Then carefully align the display with the frame. Press firmly to secure it in place. Flip the phone over. Keep a bit of pressure while you work. Reconnect the ribbon cable and reinstall the bottom board. Screw it back in place. Reconnect the ribbons and coaxial cables. And close the panel with its screws. Reattach the wireless NFC antenna in its place. All good. Now, apply glue along the back edges and where the factory adhesive was. Dust the back panel to keep it clean, align it, and press down firmly. Add rubber bands around the phone for even pressure. I'll clean off any excess glue, apply some more bands if needed. And finally, the OnePlus 9 display replacement is complete, and the phone is good as new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more repair tutorials. See you in the next one.